Hey everyone, I'm Jolin, as seen on Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Market Watch, and more. Today we're diving into the exciting trend in the stock market, space stocks. With the space industry taking off thanks to big breakthroughs from companies like SpaceX, now might be the time to consider adding some stocks to your portfolio. Let's dive into the two promising space stocks for 2024, Boeing and Virgin Galactic Holdings. First up, we have Boeing. Known for its significant contributions to the American military and aerospace industry, Boeing is a big part of the space sector. One of the key reasons Boeing is a strong buy is its involvement with the United Launch Alliance, a joint venture with Lockheed Martin. This venture is set to play a crucial role in launching Amazon's Cooper satellite constellation project, which aims to deploy 3,236 satellites to provide global broadband access. Boeing continues to impress with its solid market performance. Currently priced at 186.14, the stock is poised for growth, especially with its ongoing projects and consistent performance. Beyond its ULA involvement, Boeing continues to post impressive numbers, making it a reliable choice for investors looking to capitalize on the space sector. Virgin Galactic's unique approach to space travel offers massive market potential. Despite some struggles this year, the anticipation around their upcoming flights could drive stock prices up. As I mentioned, Virgin Galactic Holdings is a different kind of space company, which makes it an excellent bet in the market. It has a significant advantage in the commercial spaceflight industry as it is a first mover type company, meaning it is the first company to do this type of thing. To sum up, the space industry is one of the most promising sectors in 2024, and Boeing and Virgin Galactic are two stocks that stand out. Boeing's solid track record and involvement in major projects like the Cooper satellite constellation, combined with Virgin Galactic's pioneering efforts in the commercial space travel industry, make them compelling stocks for any investor's portfolio.